I'm Becky and I'm based in Dublin, and I've just tried the Venus Freeze facial. It's a lovely treatment. There is no downtime. It's actually quite soothing on the skin. It's almost like a hot stone massage, not at all painful, and very little redness afterwards. So it's a great lunchtime treatment. As I say, you can go back to work, just put on your makeup afterwards, fine. It's lovely and tightening and rejuvenating for the skin, especially as your skin starts to get that little bit older. I've had great results from it, and I'll definitely be getting it done again. The Venus concept for me is rejuvenation.